This is me not touching the microwave. It just does this after half an hour. On and off, on and off. This is the worst it's been. It's usually only ever does it a couple of times, but I'm not touching the microwave. I've just been sitting watching the TV and it started beeping all by itself. So it's definitely some sort of connection that's happening, whether it's electrical or something to do with the touch buttons. It just does this every so often, and then I can't operate it. I have to turn it off at the wall for 5 minutes, turn it back on. So definitely something strange happening. My mum and dad's got the same microwave. They haven't had this problem yet, but they bought theirs a little bit after I bought mine, so hopefully this shows you the issue. I can send this by email or something. And if I press stop, see, I can't press stop. I can't turn any of the buttons. None of the buttons work when it's doing this. So I don't know what this means. Okay, now I can. I imagine it's this button that's getting pressed, some sort of connection between this button, the lock button, or the on or the speaker button. But I've just locked it there, but now it won't let me unlock it. 1, 2, 3. So 3 seconds it should unlock. But it doesn't unlock, it still stays locked. You see the lock sign? Strange. So now nothing works, obviously, because it's locked. It just does this. Started doing it last night. I first heard the alarm last night. I didn't think anything of it because it only beeped once, but then today it started beeping quite a lot, and that's when I got the phone call, phoned Amazon, contacted Amazon support, and she put me through to a few different methods of turning it off, opening the door, making sure the latch is closed. I mean, it shuts all the time, so there's no way of not shutting it properly. It's nothing to do with it not being shut. So now I'm just going to have to turn it off at the wall, leave it for 5 minutes. So I think maybe a replacement's in order. I hope you guys have had another, because I like this microwave. It's a good, the air fryer is really good. Anyway, at least you know. Hopefully you can make your decision from this.